Aunt, I'm not lying. I saw his face. I also bit hard on his hand, Aunt. You can check on his hand also if you want.
Niku, my child, Dad has a mark, but he was bitten by a dog. Niku, please forget everything. Like it was a nightmare, please. Aren't you hungry? Here, have these sandwiches.
I am not hungry, and I'm sure that those are my teeth marks, Aunt. The teacher says that everyone's face is different, and so are everyone's teeth. Look at this.
To die for love.
These are my teeth marks, Aunt. This mark we will match with Uncle's marks on his hand. Go and check the mark on his hand, Aunt. You will see the same mark.
Will it be right to doubt Dad? I don't know. No. If I am proved wrong, then it can hamper relationships. No, I shouldn't do this.
Aunt, I am telling the truth. I have seen his face. Look at this. These are my teeth marks. These marks, you go and match the marks on his hand, Aunt.
But why is Niku saying that? I have to find out the truth. I will have to find out whether that is the truth or not. Which means Niku wasn't lying. Dad.
Arohi, what are you doing in my room? I asked you, what are you doing here? What do you want?
I wanted to know,
What do you want to know?
were you the one who kidnapped Niku?
What nonsense is this? You are blaming me once again. Enough, Arohi. Not anymore.
Dad, where are you taking me? Leave me, Dad. Leave me. Where are you taking me, Dad? Dad.
Deep, come out.
Dad, leave me. Dad, please.
Come out.
Leave me, Dad.
Dad? Is this the way to behave with Arohi?
Ask her what she wants. Does she think I'm a criminal? She tells me I killed Sanaya, or that I was trying to kill her. Today she has crossed all the limits. She accused me of kidnapping Niku. If people hear this, then we will be insulted.
Arohi, why do you think that he was the one that kidnapped Niku?
Deep, I did not say this to insult him. Niku told me. Niku identified him. Niku said that he was the one who kidnapped him. He then bit his hand and escaped from there. he still has the bite marks on his hand.
It was a dog that bit me, and I've already told you this. Deep, I've had enough of her accusations. I won't tolerate this anymore.
Yes, Prithvi. Her illness is increasing day by day. She does this every day. People have started to talk about her now.
You have a problem with Arohi, right? Okay then. I will leave this house with her. Let's go, Arohi.
No, Deep. We will never be able to stay happy if we leave this house. We all will stay here and we won't go anywhere.
Arohi, if you want to stay in this house, then you'll have to stay within your limits. You will have to apologize and promise to me that you will never try to defame anyone in this house.
Arohi won't do that. Let's go, Arohi.
No, Deep. I have made a mistake. I will apologize. Please, let me apologize. I have once again made a mistake, Dad. Please forgive me once again. I promise that I will never blame anyone again. Please, please forgive me this time. Mom, Dia, please forgive me. I promise that this will never happen again. Please. Mom, Mom.
Arohi. Arohi.
Yes, Prithvi. What is it?
There is a problem, ma'am. Arohi has found out that I have kidnapped the kid. I managed to control things somehow, but I don't think that she'll be at peace now. She is so sure that I'm responsible for the kidnapping.
Don't worry at all, Prithvi. We will soon complete what Deep had left incomplete. Very soon.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.